Guys, good morning. I wake up like this. Maglalaba lang ako. Ayan, ready ko yung labahan. Ito, mag-relax lang kayo ha. Maglalaba ako. Relax lang. Maglalaba ako.
Welcome back to our vlog! It's the second vlog of our channel. It's the Corpuz Family. I'm Chris. And here's Celeste. Sleeping on my legs. On the pillow. Don't worry guys. She doesn't sleep there often. I just put her there because she seems comfortable. And here is Mahal. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing today?
What's supposed to be husband chores. So, maglalaba ako ngayon, guys. Huwag niyo na akong samahan. Nakakaya naman.
So today our vlog is about our weekend. So come join us for this weekend. We have a lot going on. So I have to go to a dinner tonight with a couple of friends and family. And tomorrow we also have a big day. It's my uncle's birthday, so we're gonna be celebrating at my old house. And yeah, come join us. We just got here on Benihana. This is where we're gonna eat. I'm gonna have dinner with our friends and family. And yeah, so we have Mahal.
Hey guys, I'm the driver. Kung kailangan nyo ng driver, dito ako ha. Alam ko rin maglaba at maghugas.
So he's gonna drop me off. We have Celeste in the back. So pretty much we're just waiting for my godmother to see Celeste. This is her first time seeing her. So yeah, we'll just wait. Just got home. I'm done with the dinner with my friends. So we'll be closing up for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye guys.
Hey, so we just left the house. We're on our way to pick up a cake for my uncle's birthday. It's raining hard outside, so you guys better be careful driving. Make sure you don't overspeed, stay warm. And yeah, so I got the whole gang with me. Well, except Nala. We have to leave Nala because it's just, you know, it's too much work. Make sure we get in and out to the place that we're going to. So next time when it's not raining this hard and it's not really wet outside, so we can bring Nala. Yeah, so again, si Mahal na naman na nagda-drive.
Hello.
How are you doing? How are you doing there in the front?
Great.
Scary to drive, huh?
Yeah. Maraming tubig sa daan eh.
So
We have to go slower than speed limit to be more safer.
yeah, we're running a little bit late, but I think it's better that, you know, mag-drive tayo ng safe, mag-drive tayo ng slow, so we don't, you know, cause any traffic on the freeway. But yeah, so check this out. This is Daly City. You see how it's always foggy, and it makes it worse when it's raining.
Then we're picking up cake.
Dang, it's freaking raining outside, and like some of the areas here in our place or in our neighborhood, the power is out. So great. So we're still gonna go to my uncle's place, but you know, because we're planning to do Korean barbecue, now we have to, like, you know, a good thing we have a portable stove that just you can put what do you call that, the propane on it. So we have that. We've had it since last year, just in case for an emergency. So we're just back home now, getting all the stuff to transfer to my uncle sa tito ko. So yeah, we have, me and Celeste are just inside the car waiting for Mahal to get the stuff. So yeah, it's crazy. We were also gonna go to Total Wine, and the power is out there, so we can't really buy a gift for my uncle because he wants lambanog. I don't know, for all my Filipino viewers there, you know what lambanog is. So yeah, so I didn't even know na meron silang lambanog sa Total Wine. So unfortunately, power is out sa kanila, so they're not letting people in. But they probably do have the lambanog, but they just don't have the power, so hindi kami pwede pumunta doon. So we're just back home waiting for my Mahal to get the stuff. So, and then after that we'll go straight to my uncle and we'll cook. Sun is still up, and even though the weather is like so bad, napaka-windy rin sa labas, so it's not a good combination when it's windy and it's raining. So you guys better, you know, stay safe, stay dry. Yeah, don't be like us who are still out, especially with the baby. So check on Mahal. Oh gosh, bruh. Yeah. What is life, huh? So yeah, don't be like us, guys. Stay home today, especially. Don't be like us. We're outside with the baby. Oh my god.
Hold this.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Don't try this outside.
Yep. So yeah, we're on our way now. This is our stuff. So we still bring pa rin namin to. Just in case the power do come back on, then we can just, you know, cook the remaining stuff in this one. But we also have this portable stove, so you can just start cooking now, even if the power is out. Oh, did you bring the propane? Okay. All right. So we'll see you guys. Your birthday this year is so dramatic that you have candles.
Something. Igas ka na. pa.
Okay, let's go na.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow.
Yay!
Make a wish. Wala kang wish eh.
More
Picture.
birthdays to come.
Ano ka muna na kunyari nag-ano ka. Shout out to Auntie Ems. The cake that we got here is halo cake, and it's pretty legit. It has all the ingredients as you can have in halo, so you guys should try it. So we just got got home from my uncle's birthday. I just got out of the shower, baby's sleeping, so we're just gonna end the vlog or close out the vlog here. But yeah, so it's not as eventful weekend, but it was nice to catch up on friends and family, especially on birthdays, and just to keep up with them and kind of talk about life and updates about their life and events that will be happening for the next couple of months. So yeah, just stay tuned. Do you have anything that you anything interesting in this weekend?
I stayed home, guys. I was doing chores. Yeah. But this is good. Yeah. We went kumain naman kami sa birthday. Busog na busog kami ngayon. So and umuulan kasi ngayon. Tsaka pag nag-drive kayo, mag-ingat kayo kasi maraming tubig sa daan. Malakas yung ulan, malakas na yung hangin. Yeah, but next time it'll be more content.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
Feel free to message us kung may mga suggestion ka about what kind of content you guys want us to do.
Oh yeah, and if you guys want us to
we'll be
do
open.
if you want us to do like a question and answer video,
or anything.
just follow our Facebook page. It's called Life with the Corpuses. It's the same as our YouTube.
Right.
So yeah, so feel free to ask us questions there, and then if we have enough questions to answer, we'll make a video for you guys just to get to know about us, about our family, how we started and stuff. So yeah, it's a good interaction with you guys, so you guys get to know who you subscribe to.
Yep.
And we would love to talk to you guys about.
Click that red button.
Oh yeah,
button.
and subscribe too. That will also help us
a thumbs
to kind of encourage us to keep making videos for you guys. Yeah, let us know if you have any suggestion. That would be awesome.
Yeah. For now, just stay safe out there. Drive safe.
Yes.
Because the road is
Crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's a lot of things
Going on.
Yeah. Earlier, maraming flood. So.
Oh yeah, especially in Daly City area.
Daly City area.
Our family out there, friends, make sure to stay dry and warm.
Yeah.
And yeah, and if you guys don't have to go anywhere like really important, you just stay home.
Just like the one we called today. We were trying to get a
like
drink.
Something for my uncle.
Something to drink.
Yeah.
And they told us, oh, the store is out of power, so stay home and go home. Yep, stay home and stay safe and get warm.
Yeah. Okay.
For
So.
now,
Yeah.
peace.
So.
See you guys next time.
From the Corpuz family. See you guys for the next video. Bye. Peace. Look at all these clothes that I need to fold. It's just a lot. Look at that. Jeez. Oh, wait. What the heck? What are you doing here? Who put you there? How'd you get there? Huh? How'd you get there? You are so cute. Oh, I love your smile. And look at that eyes. You're so pretty. Who made you? Who made you?